Hey, this is Arshad, and I wanted to chat with you guys about something that has been on top of my mind, and I think you guys have heard a lot about it in the news, which is about the rising cost of everything, right? Whether you're talking about groceries in a traditional grocery store or packaged snack food. For us, absolutely, we are in the same boat where all our basic supplies to our cost have gone up significantly, especially labor, 40% more compared to where we were 2 years ago, pre-pandemic essentially. Ingredient costs on average have gone up 8 to 12%. Cost of shipping, UPS, USPS, same thing, 8, 12%. So if you look at the combined increase in cost, we're looking at somewhere between 12 and 15% higher cost in the products. But we haven't raised our price because we understand that you guys are getting, increased cost across the board. So we're doing our best to keep the cost level. By being more efficient, we own our own manufacturing facility. We can drive some levels of efficiency here. And so there's only a couple changes that we have to push forth. The first one is on average order cost for free shipping. We had brought it down to $49 from prior, it was at $59. We're gonna have to raise it back up to $59 just because shipping costs are such a big part of our business. So starting next week, the shipping costs will be $59 to get free shipping. And then obviously after above $59, it's free. The other thing that we really wanna sort of get across is that we have this really big subscribe and save program, which gives you 20% off. And so you're gonna see us do less and less special promotions. We used to do a lot of that last year, like St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and all that. We're not going to do much of that. We're really going to focus on that subscribe and save customer, give you guys the maximum benefits for participating in that program. And as you know, that program has been at 20% off and is going to continue that way. So I would encourage you to be on subscribe and save, order more than $60, and talk to your friends about what we do. That's going to help us sell more and keep the price the same. Any questions, please connect with me, phone, email. Love to hear your thoughts on this as we go forward. Thanks a lot for your support.